and technology as young Cameroonians are breaking through in new areas of discovery, amongst them domotic sciences that will help in boosting security in homes. Let's have the details in the following report. With rising security challenges, especially in urban areas, there are innovations on how to tackle the situation with the use of domestic intelligence, otherwise known as domotics. These students are grappling with the home automatic system, which is already making inroads in Cameroun, where the security situation is challenging.
The idea is to bring building automation to Cameroun. We have already made about 8 installations here, and we are convinced that there is a lot of potential for many more, as it brings a lot of advantages. It can also simplify electricity within the building, and by bringing all functions, automation functions of the building in one single system, it can allow to make economies of energy, to automate all kinds of functions and simplify the life of the occupants of the building. It can improve daily life for all these people.
With domotics, just anyone can monitor his or her home from any part of the world, from thieves, children being kidnapped, domestic accidents, and other.
If you produce your energy and you would also have possibility to store the energy, as in a country there are very often breaks of electricity, you can maintain your installations ongoing. For instance, we have simplified a lot the work for the installers. We made here a training for about 10 people during 3 days, which were people that had never touched building automation, and basically after 3 days they were really enthusiastic, without any basic education in terms of domotic.
These young Cameroonians are already benefiting from experts of home automation ecosystem or domotics application that will permit homes to respond to the needs of the individual. From private residentials to industries, hospitals, hotels, airports, and more, Domintell is bringing forth domotics to help Cameroonians.